Now we have exit command. EXIT, exit, enter. Once you exit, the AutoCAD will be exit. It will close this particular drawing. See, it is asking, do you want to save the drawing1.dwg? If I do cancel, so this will not be closed. If I say yes, then it will be saved. If I say no, it will not be saved. As of now, I want to cancel it. Means I don't want to exit. Okay. Now, let us see some more thing. Draw a rectangle. Draw a circle. Draw an arc from here. Draw a rip cloud. Draw a line. Now, you can use the stretch on this particular shapes only. Suppose you want to increase the length, or you want to move the circle, then left click here, see, left click onto this particular circle, means select the circle. If you select the center of the circle, you can move the circle. See, this is how the circle is moved. You can see this is how the circle is moved. Just look at here carefully. Okay, this is how the circle is moved. Now, suppose you want to increase the radius or decrease the radius of the circle, you can do like this. Select this particular drag handle and increase or decrease the length. Increase or decrease the length. It means increase or decrease the radius of the circle. Either of the points you can choose. If you choose this point, like this. If you choose this point, you can decrease. If you choose this point, it will increase. Any of the 4 points you can choose, and you can increase or decrease the circle, or you can move it with the help of this center. Left click onto that and move it. Now press escape so that circle gets deselect. Now select this particular rectangle. Now if this is a rectangle, if you select this, left click onto that, then you can stretch it like this as well, but it is getting very uneven shape. So press undo. Okay, select it, left click here. See, this is how you can stretch. But suppose if I select this and if I move to the right or left, then it will become a parallelogram. Let me show you one more thing. Select this. Okay, left click onto that. Okay, left click here. You can shorten it. Left click here. You can increase the length. Left click here. You can increase the width. Left click here, like that. I hope this is very much clear. Okay, now left click onto this, you can decrease the length. Now I will show you one thing. Suppose if you press ortho, see, as of now the ortho is on. Now you can move this either in the vertical direction or in the horizontal direction. Exactly. See here, left click onto this drag handle and stretch it in the horizontal or vertical direction. Okay, now you can use the stretch here as well. So we have different drag handles. See, left click onto this and stretch it. Because the ortho is on, that's why it is moving in the horizontal or vertical direction. Left click and like this. Left click and it will be like this. So this is how it works. I hope this is very much clear. Yes. So this is very simple. Now, this is the arc. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points because I have drawn this arc using 3-point method. So that's why 3 drag handles. And this is the drag handle which will move the arc. Okay, let us suppose left click onto that. Now you can see you can change the radius or you can change the shape of the arc like this with the help of this 3 drag handles. I hope this is clear. Now, and for line, it's very simple. There are 3 points on the line. There are 3 drag handles on the line. With the help of this drag handle, you can increase the length or you can change the direction of the line. With the help of this drag handle, okay, you can move the line. You can move the line. See, because this was drawn using line command and they were connected, but they were not joined. They were not joined using join command. Let us suppose if I join these 3 lines, enter. Now select that. Okay, now you will see they will always remain joined, they will always remain connected, they will always remain in touch actually, because I have used join command. Okay, and from here you can stretch like this. So left click and move it whatever you want. So see, if you left click here, it will move. If you left click here, either you can increase the length or you can change the direction of the line with the help of these 2 particular drag handle, and the middle drag handle will help us to move the line. So this is how stretch works in different shapes. So this is as simple as that. I hope this is clear. Now let us see some more commands. Let us start P-line. PL, enter. P-line, PL, enter. Okay, yes. P-line means polyline. The shortcut key for polyline is PL. Okay, now let us start. Specify start point. Let's just say this is the start point. This will create line only, but this will create line using different shapes, and also all the lines will be joined together from the initial only. You can also access this particular tool from the ribbon bar as well, polyline. So go to PL, enter, specify first point, then specify next point, again specify next point, next point, next point, next point, like this. Enter. Now if you select this, see, all the lines will be joined. So this is the P-line command, that is polyline. With the help of this command, you can draw line which are joined together. So that's the P-line, PL. Okay, now start point. Now you can see we have some more commands: arc, half width, length, undo, width. Okay, let's go to arc first. Let's go to arc first. So if you select arc, that line will be converted into arc. You can see here. Now we have different options of arc, different options: angle, center, close, direction, which I have already explained here in the arc command. Okay, half width. So I will explain each and everything, don't worry. Okay, yes, enter. So this is how the arc is made using Polyline. Go to Polyline again, Polyline, PL, enter, start point. Yes, now, okay, I will come to the arc again, but let me explain this half width. Put the ortho on by pressing F8. So you can see the horizontal line is made. Now, let's go to half width. In the half width, it will ask start half width. Start half width, let us say it is 10. Ending half width, ending half width, let us take it as 20. So see, that's the half width. Left click again, enter. So half width means what? Let me explain. See this shape, I just draw this shape. So let's say this is the axis of that. So this is the starting half width, which was 10 I selected, and this is the ending half width, which I selected as 20. This was the starting half width, which I selected as 10, and this is the end half width, which I selected as 20. So this is 10, this is 20. I hope this is very much clear. So that's the half width property, half width inside the P line. Okay, go to PL, enter. Select the starting point. Now you can see from the starting itself, it is making half width using half width. Go to half width again. Let us say if you want a line, perfect line, then starting half width must be 0 and ending half width must also be 0. Now you will get a line here. Okay, this is as simple as that. You might have seen the electronic or electrical circuits in that we do some shapes like this. See, go to half width, starting half width, let us take it as 20 and ending half width as 0. So it will look something like this. Yes. If the ending half width is 0, see, again the line will be made like this. Let us take now the ending half width as some value and starting half width as 0. So let us go to the half width. Starting half width is 0, ending half width is 20. So this is how it will look. Now you can specify the length. Suppose you want a length because ortho is on. Suppose you want a length of 50. So press 50 and enter. So this from here to here, the length of that particular triangle is 50. Okay, now you can see because the ending half width was 50, that's why now the line is having a half width of 50. See, the half width is 50, so total width will be 100. Okay, so go to half width and put the starting half width as 0 and ending half width as also 0. Okay, and draw the line. I hope this is very much clear. So this is how you can draw using half width. Remember one thing, from here to here, that's the half width. Total is the width. From here to here, that is 2 into half width. Okay? Yes. So this is how you can draw those circuits using P line. Go to PL, start point. This is the start point. Now we have length. It's again simple. Go to length, specify the length of the line. Suppose if I choose 100, a line of 100 will be made. Yes. Go to this direction, a line of length 100, 200. So you can see it is drawing in this direction. From here it is 100, then from again that point 200. So don't use this. Better to use this ortho. Suppose you want to make a line in this direction of 180 mm. So switch to that direction and 180, enter. You will get that. Okay, next is undo. If you do press undo, you will come back to previous point. Now we have next is width. Width is again similar to half width. In the half width, we were mentioning only half the length, that is 50 or 100 like that. But if in width, okay, starting width, let me give starting width as uh, 20 and ending width as 0. Now you can see here length I have specified randomly. See, from this corner to this corner, that is 20 and this is 0. Okay, let us draw one more point. Now go to half width. Starting half width as 20 and ending half width as 0. You can see it is double the size. This is total is 20 and this is total is 40. That is 20 plus 20. Because half width from here to here, the half width is 20, but total is 40. Okay, here the total width which I have mentioned is 20. Okay, so this was done using half width, and it was a half width of 20 and it was a full width of 20. So like that it will work. So it's very simple. I hope you got my point. And same you can use inside the arc as well. Go to PL, enter, start point, go to arc, press F8 so that this will be closed. Just a second. Let me erase this. Let me do it again. Yes, PL, enter, start point, go to arc, see, you can hold control so that you can switch the direction of the arc. See, I have hold the control button. Okay, press and hold the control button to switch the direction. Suppose if I leave the control button, then it will be like this. Now here also you can use this half width. Suppose if I go to half width, okay, give it as 20. Okay, 20, enter. Okay, ending half width as 0, ending half width as 0. Now you can see, you can draw the shapes like this. You can give radius as well from here. Okay, you can give total width as well. Suppose starting half width as 20 and ending half width as 0. So it will be like this. Okay, suppose you want to, from arc, you want to switch on to line. So go there, go to line. See, again, it will be line. Okay, now you can see here also, for this arc, the starting half width was, this was the starting half width. So starting half width was 20. From here to here, this is the half width, which is 20. And this ending half width is 0. And again here, I have drawn this arc using width. Starting width is 20. So from here to here, it is 20. And here at the end, it is 0. So this is how you can draw using polyline. I hope this is very much clear. Okay.